what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vanessa, she back and she better. So as you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I am finally going to be doing the Android version on how to record a YouTube cover. Oh my god guys, so many of you guys have been requesting me to do this video. A lot of you guys were commenting like, when is Android? What about Android? And I'm like, you know what, it is coming soon. And I wasn't able to do it before because I do not own a iOS device. I am a loyal Apple user, but since so many people were commenting, I was like, you know what, I gotta do it for the people. So I went ahead and asked my mom if she could borrow me her Android for a few days so that I could do some discovering and some experimenting, and that is exactly what I did. So today I'm gonna share with you guys how to record a YouTube cover with your Android phone. So if you guys are interested in this video, definitely keep on watching. But before we get started, I need you guys to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel down below because that will mean so much. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get started into this video. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be using my mom's S6 Edge, I believe. I'm going to be using this phone to demonstrate everything today. So hopefully you guys' Android devices will function the way this one does. So the app that I'm going to be using today is called Bandlab. This is what Bandlab looks like. Go ahead and go to your Play Store and download it right now. B-A-N-D-L-A-B. Go and download it on the Play Store right now. So before we get started, I just want to show you guys the things that you need to prepare for this video. So let's go see what we need. So the first thing that you're gonna need is your earphones, whatever earphones you have. And then obviously you want to bring out your Android device, your handphone, your tab, whatever it is. So the third thing you want to prepare is a audio splitter. This is basically so that you can connect your earphones and your mic onto your phone. So I'll leave a link down below to where you guys can purchase this. And yeah, this is another audio splitter that I'm showing you guys. It's just two different types of audio splitter. So go check the link down below. And the fourth thing you want to prepare is obviously your condenser mic. And I am using the newer 700, and this is what the cable looks like. And that is it. So if you guys do not own a audio splitter or a microphone, you guys can literally just use your earphones because your earphones do have a built-in mic to it. So yeah, the quality is just as great. So go ahead and use your earphones if you don't have the audio splitter and the microphone. So today I am going to show you guys how to do it with the audio splitter and the microphone. So what you want to do is you want to plug in your microphone onto the audio splitter, and then you also want to plug in your earphones onto the audio splitter as well. And then this one you want to plug it into your phone. Just like that. So it's all connected, and all you need to do is put on your earphones and sing along with the mic. So that is what you need to prepare with before we get started. Okay guys, so now that we got everything out of the way, we can finally get started. So I'm gonna start screen recording right now. 3, 2, 1. So the first thing you want to do is figure out what song you want to do a cover of. So if you want to download the song, all you need to do is go to YouTube, and of course you want to search for the song that you want to cover. So let's say you want to cover Break Up With Your Girlfriend by Ariana Grande. Choose the instrumental that you want to use, and you want to click on the 3 dots at the side, and you want to click share and copy the link of the song. And then immediately after this, you want to go ahead and go to Google Chrome, and you want to search for YouTube to MP3 converter, and then you want to click on the first one that you see, and then you want to paste the link right here. So just long press and click paste, and then you want to click start, and it's going to start converting your video into a MP3 format. I think this is pretty self-explanatory. Most of you guys know how to do this, and then all it's left to do is hit on download. I'm not going to download this because I'm not going to do this song. It has copyright and I don't want this video to be copyrighted, so I'm not going to do that. So now we are going to go to Bandlab. Now that you've downloaded the song, you want to go to Bandlab. So click on Bandlab, and I think you are supposed to create an account on Bandlab. So go ahead and put in your email and your password and everything like that, and this is the page that you will see after that. So you want to click on this plus, the red plus button at the bottom, and you want to click on import track because we want to import the instrumental, right? If you want to play like original guitar or piano, whatever it is, you can do that, but today I'm just going to show you guys the instrumental part. So you want to click on import track, and then right here is my song. I chose Shallow, and yeah, I'm just gonna click on that and import it into Bandlab. So right now, as you can see, it is importing. Really simple. So I hope you guys understand everything so far. So now that the instrumental has imported into Bandlab, we want to add another track so that you can record your vocals. So all you need to do is click on the plus sign on the left, and you want to click on voice mic. Yeah. And this is what it should look like. So after you add the new track, you want to turn on the monitor so that when you are singing, you are able to hear your voice that is coming through the mic. So this is what you need to click on. This is the monitor right here. Click on that. Oops. Got it. So this is the monitor. You want to make sure you click on that so that you are able to hear your vocals. So another thing we need to do before we get started is to add an effects onto the song. This is totally optional, but I highly recommend you guys do it. So right here you guys can see the word FX, right? You want to click on FX, and I would highly recommend you guys use either classic chamber or large hall. I personally like large hall, so today I'm going to use large hall for this video. And one more step before we get started, you want to double check that you are recording at the right track. So you want to click on this arrow on the right. You want to click on that, and as you can see, the yellow track is the instrumental and the blue track is the vocals that you're going to be recording in. So make sure you are selected on the blue track, and after you've done all of that, you can go ahead and hit this red record button to record your vocals. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product because I'm screen recording right now and I'm not allowed to record the internal audio while screen recording. So I'm gonna record this real quick and I'm gonna be right back.
Tell me something good. Are you happy in this modern world, or do you need more? Is there something that you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. In all the bad times I fear myself, yeah. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world, or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. In all the bad times I fear myself, yeah.
Okay Alright guys, so now that you guys have heard two versions that I recorded, one with the microphone and one with the earphones, and I think both sound phenomenal, like it is good in my opinion, but I would prefer using the microphone. It's a lot more clearer and better in my opinion, so go ahead and get a mic. I will leave the one that I use in the link down below so that you guys can get one for yourself. Not sponsored, I'm just letting you guys know. So now that you guys have heard both versions, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can adjust the volume and save the audio onto your phone. So to adjust the volume is really simple. All you need to do is select on the track that you want to adjust the volume and hit on this icon right here. So you want to click on that, and as you can see, you can literally adjust the volume of the instrumental, adjust the volume of your vocals. Really simple. Also, to cut, all you need to do is select on the track and then double click it, and as you can see, there are a few options. I'm gonna click on slice, and let's say I don't want this part anymore, I'm just gonna click delete, and that is basically it. So to save your audio, all you need to do is click on this one right here, click on that. And as you can see, there are two options to save and publish. If you want to publish to your followers, go ahead and do so. I'm just going to click on save. Okay, click save and quickly hit on view at the bottom. And right here, you want to click on the three dots on your top right here. Click on three dots and you want to click on download. And from here, you can choose where you want to save this thing. And yeah, that's basically it. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of this video. I really hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope the question of how to record a YouTube cover on your Android has been answered. Hopefully this video is the answer. If you guys learned something from this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will post more content like this, so make sure to also comment down below what kind of videos you guys want me to film. Comment down below, give your girl some ideas, and I will most probably do it. So yeah, I guess that's it. Also, share this video with your friends that are figuring out how to record audio on their Android. And yeah, I guess that's all I want to say. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!